Here I have Realme Narzo N53, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you should open Files application. So you can transfer like downloads, images, videos, audios and so on. So let's transfer some images. So to select an image that you want to transfer, you have to hold down your finger on it. Then tap on three dots here, select if you want to move it or if you want to copy it. So let's copy. Then select where to SD card in our case. And as you can see, this file, now we have two copies of it, one on our device and one on SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.